Hello, good evening. This is my lab assignment for in class of October 5th. I completed assignment 1 and 2, which was completing the form. They have a drop down list, an empty drop down list named cars. And the attribute list, well, not the attribute list, we'll be adding a form, a blank password form, into the one that was already previously given to us in the examples under elements. And this is what my outcome was once you run it within Google. Now it came up. I'm sorry for the pause. Both my fields for password, my first name and password, they're both active fields. Sorry for that. All fields appear to be active. I believe that I completed the assignment and I appreciate your time. Hope to see you again next week.